Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is my channel Imtinet. I recently picked up the Sony A6400 and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 essential accessories that you should grab if you've just purchased the camera or even if you've had it for a while, and these things will definitely make your life easier. So let's get started. So the first item is probably the most important. Sony markets the A6400 as a great camera for vloggers, and one of the features that makes it great for vloggers is the flip-up screen. This is great, but the cold shoe mount is also on top of the camera. So if you put an external microphone on top, like vloggers tend to, then you can't see the screen. This little contraption from SmallRig slots into the cold shoe mount and it moves it out of the way to the left-hand side of the camera, letting you use the screen flipped up and have a mic attached at the same time. It's a little bit pricey at £24, but it's really high quality and it does a good job. And it also screws into the camera strap thing, so there's a bit of extra security there. If you do want something a bit cheaper, you can get this bracket from Ulanzi. It's about £10, but instead of going into the cold shoe mount, it goes into the tripod, and it gives you that extra mount still. I picked up both, so it gives me a bit of flexibility, so I can use a light as well, or if I want to have a light and the microphone at the same time. Battery life on the A6400 is okay. It has a reasonably efficient processor, which makes up for the small battery size, but nevertheless, it can always be better, and this dummy battery gives you plenty of options. If you're filming at home, you can replace the battery with this, and it plugs into just a USB charger with a minimum of 2 amps, and you can just film off that and have no worries at all. But even if you're on the go, you can use this plug directly into a power bank, and you can run directly off that. It's really handy and definitely something that I consider essential for both photographers and videographers alike. So while the dummy battery is great at home and handy on the go with a power bank, sometimes you need something that isn't as bulky, and this is where this kit comes in. There's not too much to say really. I mean, they're spare batteries, so the value is pretty obvious. But why would you choose this one over the others? Well, the charger. So it comes with both micro USB and USB-C inputs. And the batteries are good, they last a decent amount of time, but the flexibility of the charger is where it really shines. The convenience of being able to use whichever cable you have on hand is great, and at £20 I think this is a really good pickup. As I mentioned before, one of the cool features with the A6400 is the flip-up screen. But as it's glass, the last thing you want to do is scratch it or even worse, shatter it altogether. So that's where this glass screen protector kit comes in, and it mostly takes care of that. It's great value at £8 for a 2-pack, and the application is nice and easy, and once it's on you can't even tell it's there. With it on, if you do get any scratches on the screen, you can rest easy knowing you can just swap it out for the other one. Last but not least is Sony's Dslr case. This is a bit pricey at £40, but you can usually find it on sale for less. It offers good protection while being nice and compact, and it can also pack a few of the other essentials to boot. This is a good case/bag overall, and it carries a fair amount for its size. That's all really for this one. If you think I've missed something that you consider essential, let me know in the comments, and if you did find it useful, let me know about that as well, and like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.